don't know, the path is long, but if you try, you'll surely grow to heal past the sorrow that been keeping you low.